Good afternoon. My name is Valeria Grau Lopez and I'm studying public accounting. In this video, I'm going to talk about the history of my degree, and I want to start this video making an important question, and it's why it is necessary. The answer is because accounting arises from the need of generating information about the resources that we have, and also to be able to understand if our objectives were reached or not. Let's talk about the global history. So, it was formed in four stages. The first was the Ancient Age, where man, thanks to his ingenuity, provide different methods of registrations as the clay state. The second is the Middle Age, where the solidus was consolidated. What was the solidus? Was a gold currency that was accepted as the main means of international transactions. The first was the modern age, where I think that is the most important. In this stage, Fray Luca Paciolo refers to double entry registration system that is like the most important principle of accounting, that if there is a debt, there is a credit, and always an account have to be in zero. Also, he explains the inventory, assets, and liabilities, the most important elements of the financial statements. The fourth stage was contemporary age, was the last, where there was a creation of schools to solve problems. Also, there appear different concepts like depreciation, amortization, funds, reserves. Now we know a little bit more about the history, the global history. In Colombia and in all the world, accounting was not always like a professional career. Before, like a long time ago, it was considered like a technical career. So it has like a process to become a science. We are going to talk about that. The origin of accounting was technical, since its objective was to correct the fault in memory in the commerciants. The accounting, it was always related to the commercial activities, and because of that reason it was considered like a simple technique. Like I was saying before, in the global history, the fourth stage, the contemporary age, it was also called scientist because it was related to the Industrial Revolution and started the beginning of the new role of accounting directed to the information and the usefulness and decision making. This stage especially was like the element that allows accounting to start to become a science. So, we're going to define accounting as a science, that it was like a big step in this degree. The accounting is an instrumental science that collects, classifies, and records economic transactions of an entity with the objective of provide useful financial information for decision making and capable of assurance. Now, what is the importance of accounting? The importance lies that the accounting always is going to be the responsible of the financial statements of a company in the process of making decisions. He or she has a very important role in a company and in all the society, and is that he gives public faith. If he signs something that it's correct, fraud free, and is everything okay, always have to believe that that's true. So the accountants have a big responsibility with the society to like saying the truth always. Now I'm going to talk about like some personal experience, and in my case, as a student of Pontificia Universidad Javeriana, the role that I had in this moment, I think that it's very important, and it's not just like to be the better accountant, to know everything about that, about assets, liabilities, revenues. No, I think that my role is more in the personal part, integrity. I think that it's important to take in account the code of ethics of my career. And the most important thing that makes the difference, starting like being a Javeriana student or a anyway different of another university, is that the Javeriano always have to be an integrity person and have human quality, because in the future there can be like a lot of very intelligent people of my degree, and I have to make the difference in this part. Always be honest, no matter the situation, always do the things in the correct way, and like instilling a good example for the future accountants. So continuing on that part about the university, I have one experience, and is that the public accounting at Javeriana have like an accounting office that have a purpose to help other people, to help the victims of the armed conflict, like learning to them how to create a company or many things in the financial part. It is a very beautiful experience. To my knowledge, I can explain to another, and it has a good impact in the other person. To finish this video, I want to relate like all the things that I have said to the situation that we are living in this moment. Our country, Colombia, a very beautiful place to live, but with a big problem, corruption, and I think that the key to end this disease, because it's not just a problem in this moment, is a disease for our country that is killing us day to day, slowly, but it's killing us. So I think that accounting is the perfect way to solve this, with the assurance and audit of the information. It's not impossible to end this problem, this disease, increasing controls and working with correct people, honest people. We can eradicate this problem. So thank you very much for your attention. This is the account office that I was talking about, and I hope that you like this video. Goodbye.